Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You might be noticing the quality has improved. I am so happy I finally have a new camera so I can create quality content and not have to worry about losing storage on my phone. That was like the hardest thing, and then transferring all my videos from my phone to my computer and being able to take more videos while I'm working from my phone. This just simplifies everything. It's giving. So, I'm having my morning matcha. It looks nasty because I accidentally put ice in before the creamer, and it's a powder creamer, so it kind of got a little gross, but tastes good still. I got a package in the mail yesterday from flowglowear. It's a fitness brand and they have a lot of cute like little tennis sets and onesies and things like that. So I'm gonna review it today and see how I like their products, because I feel like there are so many fitness brands out there and I'm constantly looking for new workout clothes. I have a couple brands that I really love, so I want to see if this brand can match up to the other brands, because I do notice that a lot of the styles they have are similar to Aloe, Lulu, and it's a fraction of the cost. So without further ado, let's jump in. First of all, I want to say I really love the colors. If you look at all the colors, they're very like spring, but also summery. I love this lavender and orange. Without showing you just like a pile of clothes. So the first thing is this top. And this kind of reminds me of the Lulu top. I think this color is just so fun for summer. It looks great with the tan. I feel like this fabric feels nice. I have to do the sweat test, and I'll let you know in the comments or in the description after I wear it today for my workout. It also has a built-in bra, which you don't always see in workout sets, to have that extra little bit of support. So I do like that. On the bottoms, it comes with this skirt. So it's this little tennis skirt, very cute. This feels amazing. The quality of this feels incredible. It's super stretchy, kind of like nylon, just silky fabric. And then it has the dip down in the back, which I think is really flattering because it kind of shows like the curve of your butt. It also has shorts that are built in. And this fabric feels a lot nicer than the top. It's so weird because the top is a totally different fabric, but this is definitely more stretchy and it just feels really silky. Okay, I do have to say, after putting on the first set, I really love it. It's super comfy and I do feel like it has great support. I feel like I could run in this, which is a perk because it really is more like yoga, athleisure, just because of the skirt. I'm probably not gonna do like heavy lifting in it, but I am very happy with the fit of this. All right, so let's move on to the next. So I actually ordered this set in another color. I wanted a neutral, and so I thought this kind of almond buttery oatmeal, dark oatmeal color was really cute. It's the same exact fit as the orange, but I'll try it on so you can see. Again, it has the shorts underneath the skirt and it's the same material. It's kind of the more like soft buttery on the top and then the silky, more spandex on the bottom. Let me put it on so you guys can see how this color looks. It's almost like a little taupey gray. The shorts are super cute underneath. A great length, honestly. Just like a little booty short. The skirt is flowy, good support with the top, very soft, breathable, padding underneath. And then the back is racer back. Honestly, I have been obsessed with wearing these little skirt sets to coffee and just around the house because they look dressed up, but they're also just like so comfortable and I feel girly and cute and girly and cute. And it's perfect for summer. You get a little breeze. It's like wearing a sundress, but like workout edition. Okay, now we are doing this purple set. It's lilac, and you guys, I am living for this color. I just think it's so, so cute. With the white stripe as well, makes it really summery. I just love also this fabric. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's like ribbed, but spandex. But it's more, how do I explain it? It's not like ribbed like the seamless ribbed. It's like spandex ribbed. But the back is like this. And this is, I think, a capri length. So it is a little bit shorter. I think it meets right above the ankle bone. So I do like that. Kind of a 7/8 pant. I can't wait to try these on. They seem like they would be so comfy and just slimming. The top looks like this. It's an asymmetrical top with a thicker band over here. And then I like how it still has the strap. First of all, I think it's fashionably passing the test, but also I think support-wise, a single strap does not work for me. I need a little extra. So this is nice because it doesn't put all the weight on one shoulder. The back has the strap that goes all the way down to the waistband, and this kind of like isn't attached here. So it really is kind of a cute little accent on it. So I'm gonna try it on. I love this color. I feel like purple and orange are just my colors right now. And pink, obviously, Barbie. This is the Summer Smoothie palette. That's how I would call it. Summer Smoothie. Okay, let me try it on. Okay, you guys, I have to share this because I just noticed as I was looking at the tag, because I'm like, what is this material? I really like it. It is recycled nylon. So it's made out of plastic bottles and it's completely recycled, which I think totally takes this brand to a next level, just because there's so much waste and fast fashion that I love how this brand is environmentally friendly. This set that I'm wearing is 76% recycled nylon, which is just so cool to me. All right, so I have the purple set on. Here it is. I love this top. It's completely supportive. This is probably the most supportive tops of all of the ones that I've tried on. And also it obviously has more of a runner's feel to it. But the back is super cute as well. I love this color. I'm just obsessed with the purple. Bottoms are, they do meet right above the ankle bone. So you can see it's almost a full leg, but not quite. And then the stripe is only on one side, which I also like. I feel like an ice cream cone, like a lavender charcoal ice cream cone in this, but it's very comfortable. I wonder if it's squat proof. I think it is. This color is so cute and I'm obsessed now that I know that it's made out of recycled materials. That's so cool. All right, moving on. I'm going to try on this romper. I actually ordered a long jumpsuit, but they've sent me this romper instead and I'm worried about it being see-through, but we're gonna try it on and see if it passes the test. I'm gonna show you first. It's this kind of jumpsuit romper. It's all white like that. And then it has a built-in bra in the front with full padding, and it almost feels like a push-up padding. The style wins, I think. I haven't tried it on yet, but I am worried about it being see-through because I feel like I can see my hand through it already. So we gotta try it on and see if it passes the test. Honestly, you guys, I'm not mad at it. First of all, I just don't really like how this bunches up here, but I guess I just have to pull that down. I have a long torso, so that could be why it's fitting a little bit tighter there. But this is so comfortable. I feel like a glass of milk. Like, this is just so comfortable and flattering, and honestly, you can't see my panties through it. So I'm very happy with this. I think it's really comfortable, and I like how it has these thick straps up here, but then kind of dainty straps in the back. That's adorable. I'm pleasantly surprised with this outfit. I think I would wear it to go get a cup of coffee or just with like a flannel or something tied around my waist. I think this is really cute. I'm very surprised because I was questioning, but I really like how this fits. All right, and it's really silky, like it's the spandex kind of material, so it's very just like comfy cozy. I will say it does not suck anything in, so if you're worried about it sucking anything in, aside from my boobs, which feel very supported, my waist is not sucked in, so it is kind of see-through in that sense where it doesn't really have the tummy tuck kind of thing going on, but I'm not mad at it. Moving on. We also have a full-length jumpsuit in this black color, in black. And it again has the kind of crisscross back, but with thinner straps. So the straps are adjustable, which I also noticed about this. The straps are fully adjustable on the side here, so I loosened them. But yeah, this looks really, really nice. And I love a good jumpsuit. I love like rompers. It looks like you're on the move, you're busy. If you go work at a coffee shop, you can wear this, like wear it to the gym. I just feel like it's so multi-purpose that you need it in your closet. I love a good black jumpsuit. And I feel like like I could even, if I wanted to really push the boundaries, I could probably wear this out. Same with this. These are more of the multi-purpose styles, I would say. I mean, they all are, but the skirt is definitely more athleisure, and then the other outfit is more gym. This is definitely, I could wear this out to dinner if I wanted to. So we love a multi-purpose outfit. So this is the black jumpsuit, and I'm gonna try it on for you. It's full length, it's skinny leg, and it's stretchy. You guys, are you kidding me? It feels like I'm naked. Like, this is so thin and buttery, it just feels like I have nothing on. Oh, look at the back of it too. I love this extra strap here to kind of make sure that it stays up, and then this crisscross back with the low back. I just think it's really flattering. Like, this is like the sexiest part of a woman's body, and we're giving. We're giving. It also has the padded cups, so I don't have to worry about wearing a bra or anything underneath. I feel very supported. And then the bottoms are full length, so it goes all the way down to my ankle. All right, so I think my favorite, I can't even pick a favorite. I love all these sets. Guys, go shop Flow Glow. Here's what their logo looks like, so you can get a better idea, but I would definitely recommend their gym gear. The last two sets I really like personally, but I think they are a set that you have to try on. So the other ones are definitely more of a safe bet. If you're not exactly sure how it's gonna fit you, those will fit perfect. I think this is a little bit trickier just because it doesn't really have the suction around the tummy or like the thighs, but it is so comfortable. So if you don't really care about that, this is like, I literally feel naked. Like, it's so comfy. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description. Thank you guys for spending time with me. I'm back in LA, so I'm gonna be making a lot more videos this month, so stay tuned and check out my other videos.